The Elddis Evolution CV80 offers a 4-berth, 4-belted motorhome with sleeping arrangements within the elevating roof and the rear of the vehicle. To operate the roof into its elevated position, firstly release the locking mechanism by pressing the electric switch located behind the passenger seat. The elevating roof uses gas strut assisters to enable the easy operation of raising the roof. A ladder is supplied to gain access into the roof area, which is secured in the 2 locators shown. Once inside, there is plenty of room for 2 people to sleep comfortably. The sides of the elevating roof are equipped with fly screens and night screens. To lower the roof, simply pull down on the 2 roof straps. The locking mechanism will lock automatically. To complete the sleeping arrangement, the rear lounge area converts into a large double bed by simply using the seating cushions.